Weather's taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. Just a few clouds now here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. If you notice today, the sky a bit bluer. A lot of that smoke and haze that we had over the weekend, that has been ushered on out of here, at least for now. 67 degrees after close to 90 yesterday. Winds strong and gusty out of the north-northwest at 21 miles per hour. Temperatures elsewhere, mostly into the 60s, but some 70s off towards the south. 70 in Gwinner, 73 in Sisseton, and still hanging on to 59 over in the Bemidji area. Winds, they've been strong. They've been gusty and still at times gusting close to 40 miles per hour. They'll subside a bit overnight tonight, around 5 to 15 miles per hour with some stronger gusts, but then pick up again tomorrow. And tomorrow, not quite as strong, but we'll still see some gusts over 30 miles per hour. Still seeing a bit of cloudiness out there, but more and more sunshine as we've gone through the afternoon. Still seeing a few showers and thunderstorms, the strongest of which just to the east of the Detroit Lakes area. That's sliding off towards the south. If it holds together, going to slide into the Wadena area here in the next little while, but it looks like it's showing some signs of weakening, but still sparking off some strong and gusty winds as it makes its way on through. A severe storm just south of the Minneapolis area, that down towards the Rochester area. That'll continue to slide well away from our region. Across the national map, some showers and storms in the southwestern U.S. and some strong and severe thunderstorms. A couple of severe thunderstorm watches and several severe thunderstorm warnings in that area. Out in the Atlantic, Hurricane Irma continues to slide off towards the west at 13 miles per hour. Now a Category 4 storm. The winds of 130 miles per hour east of the Windward Islands. There's your Windward Islands and the northern portions of those islands and hurricane warnings for Hurricane Irma. After going west most of the day, anticipated to make a west-northwest trek, and then where it goes once it gets between Florida and Cuba, it's a good question. A lot of models have it turning to the north, but when that turn takes place is still up in the air. For us, still got some rain showers and storms out there up in the air, but those getting on out of here. Overnight tonight, it's going to be a cool one. Could see some frost in a few areas in our far northern valleys, but the vast majority of us will not have to worry about that. Tomorrow night, a better chance for some frost across the region. As we head through the day tomorrow, some cloudiness, especially east of the Red River, and along with that, a chance for a few isolated showers, and it's going to be a cool and breezy day. High temperatures only in the 50s and 60s. It's cooling down into the 40s and 50s by 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Tomorrow morning here in Fargo, we'll start off in the upper 40s. By lunchtime, only the low 60s, and we're going to top it out in the mid to upper 60s later on in the day. Picture of the day, a Lake 7 sunset in Frazee. Thanks to Sarah for sending that in. Going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, sunny and cool, but sunny and warmer on Wednesday, and that warm up continues right on into the weekend. Some upper 70s Thursday and Friday, low 80s Saturday. Chance for just a small chance for an isolated shower or storm late Sunday and early Monday, and slightly cooler on Monday.
But I can't believe we're expected to get maybe a little bit of frost in those 40s.
Yeah, it's that time of year where everyone's, you'll get these fronts move through. It gets just cold enough for some frost, and some of the long-term models actually show some snow in the first week of October, but that's a long way off. That will likely change.
I don't want to hear that on Labor Day.
Yeah, we'll see.
It's just a lot at once.
Yeah.
Thanks, Robert.
You got it.